Logging first began up here in the southern Sierras about 1874 with the California Lumber Company. For nearly 60 years, trees were cut down up here without a single tree ever being replanted. They clear-cut a total of about 30,000 acres. The trees that we're looking at are a result of the natural reseeding of this forest by the very few trees that were left standing after they had finished logging. So it makes it a very young forest. The average age of some of the trees are only about 75 to 85 years old. The two types of pine trees that you'll find growing up here are the ponderosa pine and the sugar pine. There's a couple ways that you can tell the two trees apart. One way is by the length of the needles. Needles on the ponderosa pine grow about 8 to 10 inches long. Needles on the sugar pine, they grow about 2 to 3 inches long. Another way you can tell those two trees apart is how the needles grow on the trees. They grow in clusters. A ponderosa pine will have 3 needles attached to a cluster, and the sugar pine will have 5. The sugar pine also produces the largest cone of any of the trees up here. They can range from 10 to 26 inches in length. And while those cones are green and still hanging up in the trees, they can weigh up to about 4 pounds. Got my tongue over my eye teeth and I couldn't see what I was saying.